Welcome to my table of wires, or bench of wires. So messing about with a Oled display. This is going to go in place of the channel readout in the CB once I've sorted out the rest of it. Hence the size. That should fit where the old LED was. So I've got an Adafruit SI5351 clock generator. That generates 3 signals, so you can have the BFO and the IF frequency and whatever else you want. It's fully programmable. This here is a LM317. That's generating 3.3 volts to run the Oled and the Adafruit clock generator. This one here is 5 volts to run the Arduino. I was originally using a nano, or trying to use a nano. It was wired up. It looked nice as well. It was none of this rat's nest. It did look nice, but it wouldn't accept a sketch. Even though it powered up and the LED blinked, it wouldn't take a sketch through the USB for some reason. So I had to do away with that and wired it up to a Pro Mini instead. Focus. I had to run up to a Pro Mini instead. So we've got 3 buttons here. We got memories, calibrate, and RIT. For some reason, the RIT doesn't work. Can't get that to work at all. For some reason, I did originally think it was a switch, but it's not. And here's the rotary encoder. That's just one I had kicking about. Got a bag full of them there, which I had from work when we were scrapping a load of radios. I took all the VFOs off and the rotary encoders off, and the knobs as well. So that's quite nice. So at the moment, the Oled is on 27555. Well, it's all on 27555. So if I turn that, you can see the frequency increases and decreases. Press it, and we can cycle. When you start pressing it, it cycles up, and then it jumps back again. Got to focus all the time. So it's still a work in progress, but it's getting there. I have to sort these wires out tomorrow because I'm sure something's going to short out and go up in smoke at some point. So that's what we've got so far. So I'm looking to replace the LED readout in my Cobras and things with an OLED like this. So thanks for watching.